Today, we're going over a question I get all the time. eSIM versus physical SIM. What's the real difference? And should you choose Saily's eSIM or stick with a regular SIM card? Let's break it down in a simple way that helps you decide what works best for you. Before we dive in, if you're thinking about trying Saily, there's a link in the description that gives you 15% off all Saily plans. Be sure to check it out after watching. Let's start with the basics. A physical SIM is the small card you insert into your phone. It's been around for years and stores your number and carrier information. An eSIM, like the one Saily offers, does the same thing, but it's completely digital. There's no card, no store visit, no waiting in line. You just install it directly on your phone and activate it within minutes. Now, here are the advantages of using Saily's eSIM, or really any eSIM. First, it's incredibly convenient. You can install it instantly from anywhere. No swapping cards, no hunting for a local SIM when you land in another country. Second, it's perfect for travelers. With Saily, you can choose data plans in over 200 countries, set everything up before leaving home, and avoid expensive roaming charges. Yeah, it's flexible. Many phones now support multiple eSIMs, so you can keep your regular number active while using Saily for data abroad. And finally, it's safer. There's no physical card to lose, damage, or mix up while traveling. Of course, eSIMs aren't perfect. There are a few things to consider. Not every phone supports eSIM. If your device is older, you might still need a physical SIM. Transferring an eSIM between devices isn't as simple as moving a card. You usually need to reinstall it or scan a new QR code, which takes a moment. And network quality still depends on your provider and location. Whether you leave or a physical SIM, poor coverage will mean slow data. Now, let's talk about why Saily's eSIM stands out. It's designed for travelers who want easy setup and reliable data. You can install it straight from the Saily app, manage your plan, track your data usage, and even switch regions, all without touching a SIM card. It's especially useful if you travel often, work remotely, or just want a simpler, more flexible way to stay connected. So, which one should you choose? Hospitalized, switching countries, or want a more convenient setup? Go with Saily's eSIM. If your phone doesn't support eSIM, or you prefer something physical and familiar, a regular SIM is still perfectly fine. But if your phone is compatible, the eSIM route is definitely the way forward. It's faster, cleaner, and much more convenient once you try it. And before you go, don't forget, if you decide to try Saily, there's a 15% off link waiting for you in the description. Use it to save a bit on your plan and make your next trip even smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.